Welcome to our channel. If you want to maximize promotional bundles that come with gaming console purchases to get free subscriptions and extended trial periods, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Before purchasing a gaming console, research current promotional bundles from manufacturers like Sony PlayStation, Microsoft Xbox, or Nintendo that include subscription services. Step 2. Compare offers across different retailers, as some stores provide exclusive bundle deals with extended subscription periods beyond what the manufacturer offers. Step 3. Check whether the bundle includes popular services like PlayStation Plus, Xbox Game Pass, Nintendo Switch Online, or third-party streaming platforms. Step 4. Purchase your console during promotional periods such as holiday seasons or new model launches when bundle offers are most generous with free subscription time. Step 5. Locate the redemption code included in your console packaging, which may be printed on a card insert, included in the digital manual, or sent via email after registration. Step 6. Create or log into your gaming account associated with the console, navigating to the subscription or redemption section of the online store. Step 7. Enter your promotional code exactly as printed, following any additional verification steps required to activate your free subscription period. Step 8. Verify that your subscription shows the correct duration in your account settings, combining with any existing subscription time rather than replacing it, and explore the service library during your free period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.